All of you, good morning to all of you, each and everyone who are present here. And I'm very happy to stand here by looking all the colorful, beautiful who are studying in the school. Honorable Chief Guest, respected Principal Sir, Trustee Sir, and all my dear staff member of the school. Today I'm very happy to stand before you, and I was just standing back, and I was watching to all my students of the school. What a performance! It is a great performance, and I'm very happy for that. And today I'm getting an opportunity to come and stand here. I really welcome all of you on this beautiful occasion. Republic Day is not a simple day. Republic Day is celebrated all over India. It's a great day, and I love, especially on this day, whatever the national festivals, I do respect all the national festivals of our India, and especially 26th January. So today, my sir has given me a chance to come and stand here. So I want all of you, dear parents, those who are backside, standing backside, please, I want all of you to give the hearing of my words, what I'm speaking here for the country. And I have noted, okay, some important points. I want these parents to be quiet, please. I want them, okay, be silent, okay, because my words, okay, whatever I written here for today, it's very important. It's very important. So I want all of you to listen this. A short message. A short message I want to give to all my dear students, as well as parents and my teachers and all the staff of the school. I am very proud to work in the school, New Model English Medium Public School. So, okay, Republic Day is a national holiday. It's a national holiday for all of us. It is a festival celebrated all over India, and all the people of this country, okay, they respect, they love, they honor, and most probably the great army and soldier, the police officers, the great people, those who are working for our country, what they do for our country, it's the greatest thing, okay, that you cannot do and we cannot do. So we should always respect the nation and all the freedom fighters who done the great things for our country. And I'm so happy and glad to say to them, the chief guests who are present here, I'm so grateful to them as they took their precious time and they came here. And here the words goes like this: Republic Day helps the students understand that rules help run the country and keep everyone equal. Once again, I'll go for this. Republic Day helps the students to understand that rules help the country and keep everyone equal. Rights give students freedom to learn, speak, and grow. Duties teach students how to behave responsibly. By following simple habits every day, students learn to be good and responsible citizens of this country. The role is powerful. The India of tomorrow is being shaped right now. Our homes, our classroom, our habits. So let this Republic Day be more than celebration. Let it be a reminder. Let it be a reminder that the strength of India lies not only in borders of the armies or the officers, but also the character of our people, the character that we are having. It is also plays very important role as a citizen of this country, as a teacher, as a guru, as a leader, as a brother, sister, parent, mother, father. Okay, I'm working here in the school. I'm so proud working here, and I'm really glad Gupta sir and Rana sir for giving me this opportunity to come and work in the school. And I'm so happy to teach in the school and mold the students of this school school. I want all the students. I want all the students to shine in this world, not only in this area. I want all of you to support, for the school, get admissions, and I want you to make aware that our school is providing a very beautiful education for all your kids. And I'm so thankful once again. And as Mr. Rahul, he said something okay about me. He said, okay, sir knows Hindi. Yeah, I can speak Hindi. I know Hindi very well. I can speak Hindi very well. I can speak Gujarati. I can speak Marathi. I can speak Marathi. I know all the languages. But what is my motto? What is my aim? What is my ambition? I asked permission from Gupta sir and my trustee sir, okay, Rana sir. Sir, I will not talk in Hindi in the school. I will never speak, okay? I know the language, but what is my motto? I want all my students to learn English so that wherever they are in this world, they can become successful, and they remember the school teacher, the school. They may go and expand all over the world. And I'm so thankful to both the trustees, sir. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity.
Give a big hand for David, sir.
All of you. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, David, sir. So.